Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I have the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2013 63 Reg VW Tiguan R-Line. This is the Bluemotion tech, powered through the DSG Gearbox. Lovely vehicle, finished in this bright silver metallic paintwork which looks absolutely fantastic. We've got LED daytime running lights, we've got headlamp wash, front fogs, we've got the front and rear parking sensors, obviously full exterior R-Line body kit with the R-Line badges in the centre grille. Looks a fantastic vehicle, lovely styling. Silver is obviously a very nice and easy colour to look after, but styling wise looks superb. Lots of bright silver detailing, we've got privacy glass to the rear, obviously we've got roof bars as well, nice aggressive boot lip spoilers, more pronounced front and rear bumpers, flared side skirts, dual exhaust. We've got all the badges as well, so 2 litre TDI 4Motion, meaning this is the 4-wheel drive vehicle. Lots of luggage space in the rear, so you've got a nice wide loading area. You've got split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Down here the car benefits from a space saver spur wheel. We've got the locking wheel nut just down there as well. But the car is in nice order, so you can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. Comes with a very nice service history, so I have just photographed the vehicle. If you want to go through to the photos, you'll see I've photographed every individual stamp. Alloy wheels wise, we're riding on these nice 18-inch 5 twin spokes, finished in a lovely sparkle silver to match the paintwork. They're in nice order as well. Inside is a nice cloth sports interior, so charcoal and grey cloth sport seats. It is getting a little bit darker, but I can assure you these seats are in nice order, so no signs of any sort of rips or tears. The bolsters, looking at those, they're in nice order. You've got the adjustable back support there as well. You've got the R badge embossed in the headrests. It's never been smoked in, no rips or tears. Door card is in nice order. So obviously 4 electric windows, you've got the child lock for the rear as well. Central locking, electric mirrors with your heating function. We've got automatic lights, a sporty ribbed flat bottom steering wheel with the R badge, part perforated on the bottoms, multifunction, so obviously you can go through the screen at the top there. You've got your Bluetooth phone, all your volume and media controls. You've got your cruise control down there as well. As we're doing the video, this vehicle's only covered 61,733 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Then coming through to the centre display, front and rear parking sensors, as I mentioned before, full DAB radio, obviously FM radio as well. Multimedia includes your CD, SD card, you've got the multimedia interface as well as your Bluetooth audio as well. Dual zone climate control with air conditioning, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. DSG Gearbox, as I mentioned before. We'll just close the door, stop the beeping. So the DSG Gearbox is silky smooth. It's a double clutch, so you barely even feel the gear changes. You can switch off your parking sensors. You've actually got park assist on this one as well, so self-parking, pendicular and perpendicular. You've also got your traction control, electric parking brake, auto hold, ideal if you're stuck on a little hill. You've got your multimedia interface within there, your aux, 12-volt power outlet, and then lastly on the video I'll just show you to the rear seats. So in the back, I'd say very light use. So seating for 3, you can seat 3 adults very comfortably. We've got Isofix in the bottom for our child seats. This centre panel actually comes down and that becomes your armrest as well as your cup holders. You've got rear vents for the climate control, so your rear passengers get the full benefit of that. You've got a 12-volt power outlet, so if you've got children, it's ideal. They can charge their phones as you're driving along. You've got little food trays as well. They're quite durable, so get some cups on there, some sandwiches to get crumbs in your car. But a nice car, nice specification, body styling looks fantastic. If you'd like any further information on this vehicle, so if you'd like a personalised video, if you'd like more images, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch and we'll happily book you in. There's myself, Dominic, there's also Lee, and there's Graham on sales, so any one of us would be happy to help you. I always recommend having a read of our reviews, so if you go through to Auto Trader, we're a 5-star dealer. We've got over 500 5-star reviews from verified buyers, so people who've actually dealt with us and bought from us. If you go through to our Facebook page, you'll notice the level of stock that we carry here at Alpha Motors. You'll notice all the happy customers coming to collect their vehicles from all over the country, and the multiple awards that we've won over the years. But again, thank you for watching the video. Anything further, please do get in touch, but we look forward to your inquiry.